maku na u. The shoes are wet.
Okay, plant meeting is one of my favourite days. Hot chocolate and sausage sizzle. And every day.
Here's hoping you got those hot club orders in.
And the 2015 Get Day logo competition is still running. Get those entries into the office.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing and wearing their high-vis vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
School council, we have a meeting today. Please be on time. 12:50. You know where.
Miss Mine's football team. We have training on the basketball court at lunchtime.